Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you some downloads around how to heal through the seventh plane. So in the last video I explained how a lot of people will actually feel like negative things in their experience, in their life experiences, and that's because what they're actually doing is healing others through the fourth plane of existence. So what we're going to do is release any obligations you have of healing others through the fourth plane of existence, and release any oaths, vows, or contracts you have in needing to heal others through the fourth plane of existence. We're also going to teach you how to know that the Creator is the healer, how to allow the Creator to heal others. So whether you're consciously healing another person, whether you're doing it in your sleep, or whether you're unconsciously healing another person, knowing that the Creator is the healer. And what we're going to do as well is download that you allow all healings that you give to another person, whether it's consciously or unconsciously, come through the seventh plane of existence. So all of those healings, whether it's conscious, unconscious, whether you're doing it in your sleep, all of those healings always come through the seventh plane of existence. So it's the Creator that's doing the healing without you having to take on anybody else's stuff. So let's teach you how to know that you can heal others without it having to come through you, and that it's safe and possible for you to heal others without it coming through you. And the other thing we want to do is teach you that it's safe and possible to heal others without it coming through you, without feeling like you're abandoning or whether you're betraying your ancestors. Okay, so if you're happy to receive those downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them. Cool. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified of all the upcoming videos that we post when we post them, and share it with people that you care about, people that you know, people that it can help. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.